Good early afternoon, traders. It's your boy, the Trade Daddy, and I'm jumping in here to talk about a hot topic, which is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is flirting with its most recent all-time highs, and we've seen some strength. It has rallied off of this is Bitcoin itself, off of that 52, 53 mark from back in early September, and then we saw it break out right here, that $60,000 mark, and it has just been parabolic up to tickle all-time highs. All-time highs is right at about 73,700. You can see it's depicted with that white line. See, we got some liquidity up there. That's what that red shaded area is. And if we go ahead and try to turn off some of this noise here, let's see the trade map. Boom. Okay, this is the Elliott wave indicator that TradingView has, and I must say that it's pretty nice. It's not the most accurate thing. I think it's based off of just standard or what they call classic Elliott wave theory. I'm more of a harmonic Elliott wave theorist myself. But to any regard, I think that this is pretty accurate here. This might be the top of wave 5. I think the wave 5 might actually terminate at the recent all-time highs, or might poke its head out just a little bit over. I was in a trade. We got in right at about 70,000 on the break of 70 right here. 69, 700. But you know how Bitcoin is. It's hard to catch those moves sometimes. So we got in right at 70. Sold at the top right here. I mean, I got out. I was actually trading futures, so my numbers are a little bit off. But I can see this pulling back to retest the 69 area, 69,900 or the 69,000 number totally. Then I can see it coming back up, breaking over the all-time highs, only to pull back for a wave C. Okay. Now we're looking at futures too. Futures contracts are about the same. The numbers are just a little different. This is on the daily here. We do have buys. This is extending the futures on wave 5 into the $77,000 mark. Is it possible? Of course, anything's possible. Do I think it's going to happen? Maybe. I mean, I think that we might be forming a cup and handle. This might, I mean, it's not perfect, but this price action kind of came down, swelled up. It's going to come up, tickle this all-time high, retreat a little bit, and then boom, shoot back up. This is just a theory, once again. Trade the chart, not the theory. On the daily, the RSI is just approaching overbought. So, could we see? I also got a take profit on our trend indicator right here, which is usually pretty accurate. But then you got two buys. The bull strength is, it's strong. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, though, we see that we are approaching the top of wave 5. We did get a sell, or we did get a trend indicator showing that it was a bearish momentum coming back, and this has my price targets right at where I want them on the futures, 69 and 70,000 respectively. If we go back to the 1 hour on just Bitcoin straight up, we got it going back to like the $69,000 mark. And this, you see that we got the overbought here, almost like a double top there, with the trend indicator the same. Trend indicator showed a bearish directional movement on this. Now, I think we've got on this one, I'm pretty sure that we have two buy signals as well. I'm just playing on the side of caution. I made money on my futures trade with this one, so I took profits earlier today. Right at on my futures, I took it at 73,000. That's why my numbers were off, and I was a little cautious when I was talking about just Bitcoin in general. But something to watch here, something to monitor. If it continues to break up, ride the trend. For right now, I'm staying in cash in regards to Bitcoin, and I'm waiting for a pullback. I've made my money. We got in, like I said, right here on this break. This consolidation break, we got right here on that candle where it says break a structure, and then I stayed in it because we had the 3 outside up. It was just a great overall trade. So something to watch here. In conclusion, monitor this. If it keeps making higher highs, stay in, keep it going. But if we continue to pull back, sit on your hands. The Fibonacci pivot point, also something to mention here, also coincides with that 69.5 mark. So once again, guys, trade safe. Don't forget to follow along and drop any comments if you got them. Thanks.